Ever found yourself overwhelmed with managing multiple social media accounts manually? It can feel like you're trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle on a tightrope, and that's on a good day. Now let's talk about the challenges that come with manual social media management. First off, there's the elephant in the room: time. Social media is a hungry beast that never sleeps. It demands constant feeding with fresh, engaging content. Crafting posts that resonate with your audience, responding to comments, and keeping up with the ever-changing trends can eat up hours of your day, every day. Then there's the issue of consistency. To maintain a strong brand presence, your social media voice needs to be steady and reliable. But when you're managing multiple platforms manually, it's all too easy for inconsistencies to creep in. Maybe you're feeling witty on Twitter one day, but serious on Facebook the next. Your audience will notice, and it could dilute your brand's identity. Creativity is another big challenge. Social media is a visual medium, and it's all about catching the eye. But coming up with new innovative ideas day in, day out is tough. It's like trying to squeeze water from a stone, and the pressure to constantly produce can lead to burnout. Finally, let's not forget the difficulty in analyzing performance. To know what's working and what's not, you need to dive deep into the data. But crunching numbers and interpreting analytics can be daunting, especially when you're already juggling content creation and community management. So, we've got time consumption, inconsistency, the need for constant creativity, and difficulty in analyzing performance. It's a lot to handle, especially when you're doing it all manually. But what if there's a smarter way to manage your social media? A way that uses artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can revolutionize how you manage social media. And no, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's break it down. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that never sleeps. It's a technology that allows computers to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. But don't worry, we're not talking about sci-fi movie robots taking over the world. In the realm of social media management, AI can be your new best friend. It can take over mundane tasks like scheduling posts. Imagine never having to remember when to post or scramble at the last minute to get content out. AI can do that for you, and it can even learn when your followers are most active to optimize engagement. But wait, there's more. AI can also generate content. That's right, it can actually create engaging posts for your social media platforms. By learning your brand's voice and style, AI can draft posts that fit right in with your existing content. It can even suggest hashtags and captions. This means you can spend less time stressing about what to post and more time focusing on your overall strategy. And we can't forget about analytics. AI can analyze your social media performance, identify trends, and provide insights that help you fine-tune your strategy. It can tell you what's working, what's not, and why. It can even predict future performance based on past data. In essence, AI takes the guesswork out of social media management. It's like having your own personal social media expert who's always on, always learning, and always ready to help you succeed. Now that we know what AI can do, how about we dive into the step-by-step process of using AI for social media? Setting up AI for your social media isn't rocket science. It's more like taking a stroll in the park once you know where to go and what to do. Let's break it down into 3 manageable steps: choosing the right AI tool, connecting your social media accounts, and setting your preferences. First things first, you need to choose the right AI tool. There's a wide variety of AI tools available in the marketplace, each with its own strengths and specializations. It's crucial to choose an AI tool that aligns with your specific needs and goals. Are you looking for a tool to help with content generation, post scheduling, audience targeting, or perhaps all of the above? Do your research, compare the options, and select the one that checks all your boxes. Next up, you need to connect your social media accounts to the chosen AI tool. This step is typically straightforward and intuitive. Simply log into the AI tool's platform, navigate to the settings or account page, and follow the prompts to link your social media accounts. Remember, you may need to grant permissions for the AI tool to access certain features of your social media accounts, like posting on your behalf or analyzing your audience data. The last step is all about personalization. It's time to set your preferences. This will guide the AI tool on how to manage your social media accounts. For example, you can specify the frequency and timing of posts, the type of content you want to share, and the key performance indicators you want to track. Most AI tools offer a high level of customization, So don't be shy about tailoring the settings to match your unique brand voice and marketing strategy. And there you have it, your AI tool is now ready to take over. But what does this mean for your day-to-day social media management? Well, that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of AI-driven social media management. With AI in place, your everyday social media management will look a lot different and a lot easier. Imagine a world where you no longer need to manually schedule posts. Instead, your AI tool does it for you, learning from past data to determine the optimal times and days for each post. And it doesn't stop there. It can also generate content for you. That's right, AI can draft social media posts, create captions, and even suggest images or videos based on your brand's style and audience preferences. A good example is an AI tool that can analyze your past posts, identify which ones performed the best, and then use that information to generate new posts. It can look at the type of content, the language used, the visuals, even the emojis, and then create similar content. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your brand inside out. In addition, AI can also analyze the performance of your social media platforms. It can give you insights into your audience's behavior, like when they are most active or what type of content they engage with the most. It can even predict future trends based on these insights, helping you stay ahead of the curve. But how do you maximize the use of AI? Well, the key is to not rely solely on it. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it works best when used in conjunction with human intuition and creativity. Use AI to handle the data and logistics, but always add your personal touch to the content. Remember, your audience wants to connect with a human, not a machine. And don't forget to continually monitor and adjust your AI tool. AI is a learning machine, so the more data it has, the better it gets. Regularly review its performance and make necessary adjustments to ensure it's serving your brand effectively. As you can see, AI can make your social media management more efficient and effective. But let's recap everything we've learned today. Today, we embarked on a journey to simplify your social media management using AI. We started by understanding the challenges of manual social media management. The endless hours spent curating content, the struggle to keep up with ever-changing trends, the constant monitoring of comments and messages, and the difficulty of analyzing data to make informed decisions. Then we discovered how AI comes to the rescue. We saw how AI can automate mundane tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic initiatives. AI can predict trends, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve and engage with your audience in a meaningful way. It can analyze massive amounts of data, providing insights that help you understand your audience better and tailor your content accordingly. We took a step-by-step walk through the process of setting up AI for social media. From choosing the right AI tool to integrating it with your social media platforms, we saw how simple and straightforward it can be. We also delved into the considerations you need to keep in mind, such as your specific needs, the features offered by the AI tool, and the support and training provided by the vendor. Next, we learned how to use AI for everyday social media management. We discussed how AI can help you curate content, schedule posts, engage with your audience, and analyze your performance. We also touched upon the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your AI settings to ensure it continues to meet your needs. In essence, AI is not a magic wand that will solve all your problems overnight. It is a tool that, when used correctly and strategically, can transform your social media management efforts. It can make your work more efficient, your decisions more informed, and your engagement more meaningful. With AI in your toolkit, managing social media is no longer a daunting task. It's a smarter, more efficient way to connect with your audience. So, are you ready to take the leap?